Hey there, future business moguls! If you're gearing up to start a new venture and need an LLC formation service, then you might be torn between Northwest Registered Agent and Inc. Authority. But don't worry because you're not alone. These two are heavyweights and immensely popular, so choosing between them can be a little tough. And that's why in this video, we'll be delving into their services, sifting through the pros and cons, and help you decide the perfect fit for your business. And as an addition, since you're awesome for tuning in the first place, I'll be giving you guys a free business startup success checklist later on in the video. Part of this comprehensive guide will also reveal my free trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for absolutely free, saving you time and money. So trust me when I say that you don't want to miss this and stick around till the end of the video. So let's go ahead and start with Inc. Authority. This Nevada-based company is a beacon for small businesses, offering them the tools to form corporations and LLCs and helping with the nitty-gritty legal paperwork and procedures. With a track record of forming over 25,000 corporations and LLCs annually, Inc. Authority is no newbie in the game. On the other hand, Northwest Registered Agent is a favorite among entrepreneurs for its personalized, privacy-focused approach. The company is known for its excellent customer service, robust registered agent services, and privacy benefits. They have also been in the business for over 20 years, so they definitely have the experience. When it comes to picking a provider, we all want the best value for our money, an easy-to-navigate platform, and exceptional customer service. So let's go ahead and see how our two contenders stack up in these areas. As you know, every penny matters when you're starting a business. So before we start, click the special links below to get the best deals available for both Inc. Authority and Northwest Registered Agent if you're considering using their services. With all that being said, let's go ahead and start with Northwest Registered Agent. The company is well known for delivering top-notch service, but it does come with a higher price tag. Their basic LLC formation package starts at $225 plus state fees, which is noticeably higher than many competitors. The package itself includes a range of premium features that do make it worthwhile, however. These include a full year of registered agent service, personalized customer support, and the unique advantage of local scanning for all your business mail, which is pretty rare in this industry. It is important to acknowledge, however, that Northwest's premium prices could pose a challenge for startups with limited budgets. While their services are exceptional, the associated cost is noticeably higher. On the flip side, we do have Inc. Authority. Their most significant selling point is their free basic LLC formation service, which does provide exceptional value, especially for startups and small businesses with tight budgets. You can form your business for absolutely free at $0 plus the state filing fees. And Inc. Authority does not stop there. Their free package offers free registered agent services, business funding analysis, and access to the Inc. Care customer support team. It's rare to find a formation company offering such a package of services at absolutely no charge at all. Furthermore, their premium packages, while not free, are competitively priced and packaged with necessary features like obtaining an EIN, creating an operating agreement, securing a website domain, and even tax consultations. So, when considering value for money, it's pretty clear that Inc. Authority takes the lead. They offer a wealth of features, some for free and others for a modest cost, making them the clear victor in this category. Now, if you find all of these points helpful in starting your business, then please do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content just like this. Let's go ahead and move on to the next category, yeah? As a business owner, you want a service that's straightforward, right? So when it comes to simplicity and user-friendliness, Northwest Registered Agent takes the trophy. Their website is well designed and user-friendly, making the LLC formation process seamless and stress-free. You won't have to worry about navigating confusing menus or struggling with unclear instructions. With Northwest Registered Agent, you'll experience an intuitive step-by-step process. Their order form is clean and easy to understand, guiding you through each required detail to ensure accuracy and minimize errors when filing out your LLC formation paperwork. The user-friendly maintenance and clear instructions make this entire process smoother as well. But what does set Northwest Registered Agent apart even further is their dedication to providing exceptional customer support. They assign local corporate guides to your account, ensuring that you receive personalized assistance and guidance whenever you need it. These experienced professionals are ready to answer your questions and help you navigate any challenges that may arise during the LLC formation process. And another unique feature of Northwest Registered Agent is that they can locally scan every document they receive for you. This valued addition ensures that you never miss any important mail or correspondence, providing peace of mind and efficient document management. On the other hand, while Inc. Authority does offer a relatively easy-to-use website, some users may find the numerous upsells during their order process confusing and overwhelming. And as a result, this can detract from the overall user experience. And with all of that being said, Northwest Registered Agent takes the win for ease of use for its user-friendly platform, clean interface, and intuitive step-by-step process, as well as the effort it takes to make your life 10 times easier. Their exceptional customer service and local corporate guides add extra support and guidance, making the LLC formation experience with Northwest Registered Agent an absolute breeze. Nowadays, customer service is the foundation for any outstanding business service. The personal interaction factor plays a pivotal role, and no one quite understands this better than Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest Registered Agent prides itself in its exceptional customer service, and they go above and beyond with its corporate guides. These highly trained professionals are dedicated to assisting you with your business needs and are available via phone or email whenever you need them. What does set Northwest Registered Agent's customer service apart, though, is their expertise and specialization of their corporate guides. These guides aren't just your average customer service representatives. They're actual specialists in their field with extensive knowledge and experience in business services. So when you reach out to them, you won't have to worry about any generic responses. Instead, you'll be receiving tailored advice for your unique business and situation. They also provide insights that go beyond just business formation, helping you navigate challenges and make informed decisions. One of the key distinguishing factors of Northwest Registered Agent is that they don't outsource their customer service. When you speak with one of their corporate guides, you're directly accessing an in-house expert who intimately understands the intricacies of your business formation and requirements. This direct and personalized approach ensures that you receive the highest level of support and guidance throughout the LLC formation process. On the other hand, Inc. Authority also offers excellent customer service. Their representatives are knowledgeable and willing to assist. However, they provide a different personalized service than Northwest Registered Agent. In terms of customer service, both companies strive to provide their customers with the best support possible. However, Northwest Registered Agent takes this cake in this category with their direct, personalized, and in-house approach. They've transformed the often impersonal world of online business formation into a personable and customer-centric experience, setting a high standard for customer service in the industry. Let's now dive into the pros and cons for each of the companies. Starting off with Northwest Registered Agent. Exceptional customer service. With an in-house team of corporate guides, Northwest takes customer service very seriously. They're ready to assist via phone or email, providing a more personalized touch. Privacy priority. Northwest goes above and beyond to protect your privacy. They reduce unnecessary solicitation and spam, making the user experience smooth and secure. Easy to use. Northwest's platform is intuitive and straightforward, which is a huge win for those who value simplicity and usability. Higher initial cost. Compared to Inc. Authority's free basic package, Northwest's $225 fee, excluding the state fees, might be a stretch for some budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Fewer add-ons. Northwest provides great service but offers few additional services than Inc. Authority. Moving on to Inc. Authority now. The free basic package. Inc. Authority's basic LLC formation package is absolutely free. You only need to pay the state filing fees, which is a major plus for those with tight budgets. Comprehensive additional services. Inc. Authority offers a range of add-on services like business funding analysis and an EIN, providing a comprehensive one-stop shop for businesses. Upselling. While they do offer many services, they also do quite a bit of upselling, which could be off-putting for some. Mixed reviews on customer service. While many customers praise Inc. Authority's service, there are a few complaints regarding their response time. Before we head on to the verdict, let me just remind you that I have a free business startup success checklist for you, so make sure that you keep watching straight up till the end. As you can see, both companies have their strengths. If cost effectiveness is your prime concern, then Inc. Authority has to be your best bet. However, Northwest Registered Agent takes the cake if you value personalized customer service, privacy, and ease of use. But if you're asking for my honest recommendation, I'd have to give the nod to Northwest Registered Agent if you have the money. While Inc. Authority offers fantastic value for money, Northwest's quality service, privacy protection, and user experience push them way ahead in the race. So, do you want to find out more about Northwest Registered Agent and Inc. Authority? Then please do check out these next two videos where I provide a detailed review and tutorial on their services. So that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.